Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, the place where we bring you the latest, most detailed and exciting updates from the world of cars. Today we are diving into the brand new 2025 Seat Leon, a car that continues to carry the legacy of Seat's sporty hatchbacks while stepping into the future with modern styling, improved technology, and more efficiency than ever before. The 2025 Seat Leon has always been known for its balance between practicality and sportiness, and this year's model makes that balance even sharper. On the outside, the design is more refined with a bolder front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sharper lines that give it a more dynamic stance. The Leon doesn't try to be overly aggressive, but instead focuses on a clean, athletic look that appeals to both young drivers and families who want something stylish without compromising comfort. Moving to the interior, this is where the Leon really shines. Seat has gone all in on digitalization. The 2025 model comes with a larger infotainment screen, crisper graphics, and a much smoother user experience. Wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is now standard, and the voice control system has been upgraded for more natural responses. The cabin design feels minimalistic yet premium, with quality materials and improved ergonomics. Everything is laid out for the driver's convenience, and rear passengers also get more legroom thanks to clever interior packaging. Under the hood, Seat offers a wide range of powertrains. The 2025 Leon is available with efficient petrol engines, mild hybrid options, and even a plug-in hybrid for those who want lower emissions and better fuel savings. The plug-in hybrid version can travel a decent distance on pure electric power, making it practical for city commutes while still offering the flexibility of a traditional engine for longer trips. The handling remains one of the Leon's strongest points, with sharp steering and a well-balanced chassis that makes it fun to drive. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through twisty roads, safety and driver assistance features have also seen major upgrades. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and emergency braking are all available, helping the 2025 Leon compete strongly against rivals in its segment. These technologies are becoming more refined every year, and Seat has made sure that the Leon keeps up with the expectations of modern drivers. Another big plus is efficiency. Thanks to the improvements in aerodynamics, engine tuning, and hybrid technology, the 2025 Seat Leon delivers lower running costs while still maintaining strong performance. This makes it an attractive option for buyers who want a stylish hatchback that doesn't burn a hole in their wallet when it comes to fuel or maintenance. Overall, the 2025 Seat Leon is not a radical reinvention, but rather a smart evolution of what already worked so well. It combines style, technology, efficiency, and driving fun in a package that feels modern yet familiar. Whether you're a long-time fan of the Leon or someone looking for a versatile hatchback with European flair, this new model is worth serious consideration. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Seat Leon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ride Ready Reviews for more in-depth looks at the cars shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.